In today's video, we're going to explore 5 legitimate ways to make money online. Here are 5 of the best ways to make money online, either full-time or as a side hustle. Number 1. Sell products or services online. This is one of the most popular ways to make money online. You can sell just about anything online these days, from physical products to digital services. There are many different platforms you can use to sell, such as Amazon, eBay, Etsy, or your own website. The key is to find a niche market and build up a reputation for quality products or services. Number 2. Start a blog. If you enjoy writing, then starting a blog could be a great way to make money online. You can earn money through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products and services. A successful blog takes time and effort to build up, but it can be a great way to make a steady income online. Number 3. Do online consulting. If you have specialist knowledge or skills, you can make money by offering consulting services online. This could involve anything from giving advice on a specific topic to providing expert guidance on a project. There are many different ways to offer consulting services, such as through a website, Skype, or email. Number 4. Make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on each sale. There are many different affiliate programs you can join, and you can promote products on your website, blog, or social media accounts. Number 5. Create and sell online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create and sell online courses teaching others what you know. This could involve anything from cooking and cake decorating to web development and marketing. Online courses are a great way to share your knowledge and earn a passive income. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money online.